हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो? तो we have an update for you regarding the SSC JE 2025. Yes, from the thumbnail, it is official calendar for the SSC JE 2025. Okay, so I welcome you all of to the resultant platform. This is our faculty-driven institute. We are providing the best content for GATE, ESC, and AJE examinations. So the SSC JE official calendar is out now. Yes, you heard it right. The official calendar for SSC JE Junior Engineer examination is out. Okay, so the SSC JE 2025 examination or the notification date will be available on 5th August 2025. Yes, the official notification will be out on 5th August 2025. So this is official notification. Okay, and the last date of application form will be on 28th August 2025. So this is the last date of filling of the application form regarding the SSC JE 2025. So the application date is on 5th August 2025 and the last date for the same will be on 28th August 2025. And the exam dates very important. The exam dates are on October November 2025. These are tentative dates, remember. So these are the dates of CBT 1 and CBT 2 examination. So from the last 2 year, the SSC JE examination, okay, the two examinations were conducted in CBT mode only. Okay, so it was CBT 1 and CBT 2. Okay, both the examinations are objective examination type. So we will discuss in the separate notification regarding the SSC JE exam pattern and the syllabus strategy. So here the official notification is on 5th August 2025 and the last date will be on 28th August 2025 and the exam date is on October November 2025. So you have almost 10 months for the preparation. 10 months from the for the preparation. Remember, 10 months are sufficient for SSC JE examination. Okay, so there will be no change in the syllabus. The syllabus which was given in the last year will be same for this year also. Okay, so I request everyone, be connected with us. We'll bring the practice sessions for you. We'll bring the important notifications for you regarding the SSC JE examination, regarding the all AJ examinations across the India. Okay, so this is all about me. Okay, you can go through my profile and you have to join the Telegram. Okay, that link will be provided in the description box of this video. Okay, so in the Telegram you will get all the tools to improve the concept. You will get PDF, you will get class notifications. Okay, so on our app we have the aim batch for the RRB JE examination CBT 2. Okay, so there was the batch which was for the CBT 1. Okay, as the CBT examination is soon now, so we are having the we are having the RRB JE CBT 2 CBT 2 batches. So you will get live and recorded classes. Okay, this is English batch. Okay, this is English batch. You will get 400 hours of live classes. You'll get PYQs and quiz solutions there. You'll get test series regarding the RRB JE. You'll get doubt sessions there also. Okay, so all you have to do, you have to install the resultant app, okay, from the Play Store. And if you need further contact, you should email at support@resultant.in. And you can contact Abhinav sir. Okay, the numbers are provided on the screen. Okay, so what are the features of our application? So we have the class handouts for you. Okay, we have class polls for you. We are doing the practice problems there, daily practice problems there, and we are doing class polls there. Okay, so we have the educator support. You can contact anytime. Okay, you can contact any educator and you have live classes there. You have the study material PDF study format and you have unlimited courses there regarding the GATE ESC, regarding the SSC JE, regarding the RRB JE examinations. Okay, we have the top educators on our platform. Okay, so these are the top educators: Abhinav sir, Richa ma'am. Okay, so also we have the books available for CBT1 examination, RRB CBT1 examinations on our app. Okay, so all you have to do, you have to install the application and look for the offers. Okay, so thank you everyone. Stay connected with us. We'll bring the practice sessions for SSC JE examinations. We'll bring the practice sessions for all the AJ examination. We'll bring the concepts, important concepts regarding the SSC JE, regarding the AJ examinations on our platform, on our YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Keep preparing yourself. Okay, there are 9 months for the 9 to 10 months for the SSC JE examination. So thank you so much. And also I will put the Google form in the description box of this application for the upcoming batch. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.